Well guys, guess what? I got both of the saws working. Yeah, alright. Well, this is the later one, and this is this is the first one, and this is the second one. The first one was the initial one that had all the problems with it, had all the broken stuff. This one here was the second one that I got shipped to me to replace this one. In essence, what I did here is I used this one to fix this one. So the bracket that the engine is sitting on is something I fabricated up to get the engine mounted onto, or the motor mounted, and I had a little trouble doing that, but I got it achieved and everything like that. The only problem is that this does not have the set screw that allows the motor to stay tight for the belt. So it's just gravity that pulls down on the motor that keeps the belt on and keeps the tension in the belt. When I run them, this one here, which is the first one, this one vibrates more. And well, I'll turn them both on. Here's the first one. And this one does vibrate a little bit more. Now this one, number 2, I have the belt set up on the center of the pulley. This one I have set up on the inside, so this one spins faster. Now I haven't built a light for the second one yet, but I might be doing that soon. You'll notice that I took the brackets off to cut to do a vertical cut, or to do horizontal cut, because I plan on making some pads to sit down on. Because I really don't ever plan on using these to put big stock in here and then bring the blade down. Number 1 didn't come with any pads underneath for feet, but number 2 did come with pads. You can see the differences here. Even the cast is different. The cast is slightly different in both of these. See, this one has just this rail that goes straight across in the cast. This one here goes straight across and then loops up over the handle. There's just slight little differences in them. This one has a black case. That one has a red one. You notice how this thing is rounded and this one is angled. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but these 2 points are closer together than these 2 points are. The arm is slightly different. See how this cast right here looks like it's been shaved in and come in, so this piece here is thinner compared to this one. In essence, they're pretty much 2 different saws, but they both operate the same way, roughly the same size. Now the motors are the same. Number 1 vibrates a little bit more, but I think that's because I have it on the higher speed. Number 2 is a lot more quieter. Well, a little bit more quieter. But I'm thinking I might convert one of these over to being a wood saw. You know, so I can cut wood and stuff with it, you know, little pieces of wood. But I'm not really too sure yet. But now I gotta figure out where the hell I'm gonna put them. Oh, dang it. I'm probably gonna have to, I'm gonna be moving this stuff out of there, but this wooden rack right here, I'm gonna build some shelves for it, and then this form right here, I'm gonna be cutting this down and taking those and putting them on the shelves so that way I can put tools and parts and stuff like that inside here. And then maybe put some casters on the bottom. I haven't fixed the stove yet. It's been too dang cold out here. I can get out here and mess around a little bit, but then, you know, my time scale being out in the shop here is probably about an hour before I get too cold and I gotta go inside because my hands start getting numb. But there's definitely something wrong with the hopper because the auger inside there isn't rotating. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna jump out of here. Tell me what you think. Should I convert one of those over to being a wood saw, or should I leave them both as metal? I'd like to be able to do something over here with one of those saws. Maybe put it over here next to the drill press. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.